parallel line and their transversal. That lessons last topic remain. That one is the construction. I don't have the assembly to construct the parallel lines. So when I will bring that things, that time I will take that topic. Now I will start with the new lesson. Lesson number 3, indices and the cube root. What is the meaning of indices? That I will explain. Then introduction of the indices. If a multiplied by a multiplied by a multiplied by a multiplied by a, how many times multiplication of the a, that you have to see. How many times multiplication of a? If you will observe a multiplied by a multiplied by a, this a is multiplied by with a is multiplied by with a 5 times. So you have to write this a as it is, and how many times multiplication, that you have to write upside. So I will say that this form is called as the index form. This form is called as the index form. What is the meaning of index form? You understand? Means this will tells us that this 5 times multiplication of a. This a is the base and 5 is the power, or a is the base and 5 is the index. And this form is called as the product form. A multiplied by a multiplied by a multiplied by a multiplied by a. How many times? 5 times. So I will write this as a raised to 5. This form is called as the product form. This form is called as the index form. In a raised to 5, a is called as base because this is the base. Downside, whatever be the things, that one is called as the base. So a is called as the base and 5 is called as the index or power. 5 is the index or 5 is the power. So I will say that a is base and 5 is the power. Then a raised to 5 is this is read as, how you have to read this? You have to say that fifth power of a. So this thing will read as fifth power. You have to read the power first. Fifth power of a. Or this will read as a raised to power. What I am saying, that you have to say a raised to 5. What you have to say? A raised to power 5 or a raised to 5. In this way you have to read these things. Then before I will start with this lesson, I will explain what is the meaning of squares and square root. I will give some squares to you that you have to write in the basic book also, and you have to learn this square because for the future, for the betterment of the future, this one is essential. You have to say that 1 square means this is base, this is power. 2 times multiplication of 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1. 2 times and 1 square 1, and exactly opposite of the square root of 1. So I will say that 1 square 1 square root of 1 is equal to 1. So I am saying that 1 square 1 square root of 1 is equal to 1. So you have to say that 2 square 4. 2 square means 2 multiplied by 2. 2 square 4 square root of 4 is equal to 2. Then 3 square 9 and square root of 9 is equal to 3. Then 4 square 16 square root of 16 is equal to 4. 5 square 25 square root of 25 is equal to 5. 6 square 36 square root of 36 is equal to 6. 7 square 49 square root of 49 is equal to 7. 8 square 64 square root of 64 is equal to 8. 9 square 81 square root of 81 is equal to 9. 10 square 100 square root of 100 is equal to 10. 11 square 121 square root of 121 is equal to 11. 12 square 144 square root of 144 is equal to 12. 13 square 169 square root of 169 is equal to 13. 14 square 196 square root of 196 is equal to 14. 15 square 225 square root of 225 is equal to 15. 16 square 256 square root of 256 is equal to 16. 17 square 289 square root of 289 is equal to 17. 18 square 324 square root of 324 is equal to 18. 19 square 361 square root of 361 is equal to 19. 20 square 400 square root of 400 is equal to 20. Similarly, 21 square 441 square root of 441 is equal to 21. 22 square 484 square root of 484 is equal to 22. 23 square 529 square root of 529 is equal to 23. 24 square 576 square root of 576 is equal to 24. 25 square 625, square root of 625 is equal to 25. 26 square 676, square root of 676 is equal to 26. 27 square 729, square root of 729 is equal to 27. 28 square 784, square root of 784 is equal to 28. 29 square 841, square root of 841 is equal to 29. 30 square 900, square root of 900 is equal to 30. These things you have to write in the basic book. Everybody understand? And you have to learn this. When you will come to school, that time I will ask the squares of each and everything from 1 to 30 to each and everybody. That time you have to say each and everything. So you have to write it in the basic book, in the classwork notebook also, and you have to learn these things properly. Everybody understand? So write all these things properly. Thank you.